Welcome back, everybody. It's me, Forderayleigh here. I'm recording today because I got my May Knitcrate box. So, super excited. I was very good this month. I did not look at anybody's YouTube videos. I didn't stumble across any of the hints about what it might be. The only thing I know about this is that it is one skein in here. And usually when they do that, it's because there's something else in the box. So I'm very curious what else might be in here. So I've already snipped the tape, and so we'll open it up, and I'm going to open it towards you and let you have the first look. Can you see it? Oops, it fell out. There it is. I'm going to feel in there and pull it out, and oh wow, this is gorgeous. It is such a beautiful color. I love the yellow. This is kind of like I guess a peachy orange. Well, I guess it's like orange and then mixed with like a rose kind of pink there. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love the colors. Okay, this is called the Citrus Squeeze. That's a great name. The Citrus Squeeze. It looks citrusy, doesn't it? Like grapefruit and oranges and lemons. I always get lemons and limes mixed up. I have to think about it. So this is the superwash merino wool, nylon and cashmere. I think this is the same kind of wool that they used for March, which was the titmouse color, was called the titmouse color, and so then this one is the Citrus Squeeze, and I'm pretty sure it's the same one. So I love it. I finished that that scarf or whatever for March, and I love the feel of it. So I'm so glad they're using it again. It's so soft, and it's like a thinner fiber weave. It's just gorgeous. Okay, so the thing that fell on my lap, I think, I've never seen it before, so I think it's just, looks like it's just like information for Knitcrate users. So let's see what else is in the box. I've got, oh, there's two things in here. Sorry, this is like blocked. There's two things in here. There's this, I guess it's kind of like a stitch marker maybe. You see that? Let's see. And then there's these ladybug, they're called, it's so cute ladybugs. So maybe, oh, they're buttons. There we go. They're buttons. Now I can see the buttonholes. They're ladybug buttons. So I guess today's, this month's craft will involve buttons. So that's really cool. And then, okay, so let's see what the magazine has here. We've got the picture on the front with the yarn. And let's see. So the first page inside here is just that yarn again. Whoa, I just love the color combination. It's just gorgeous, so pretty. Okay, so let's see what patterns they're going to give us. This is the Farmer's Market theme, and inspirations was Farmer's Market, so that's where the colors came from. And we've got, oh, it starts with a sock one. So that's called Squeeze Citrus Socks. Oh, here we go. Really cool pattern. I really like it. It's kind of like a honeycomb, I guess, kind of thing. Can you see that kind of design in there? And then, let's see. So I don't see any use of the buttons on that. And then, oh, lots of instructions for there. And this one's Magic Socks. So I guess this whole month is based on socks. So there's Magic Socks, and this one is the crochet. I should have actually looked if the other one must have been knit then. Let me just see. The other one is the knit one, yeah. And then this one is the crochet one. And let's see what else. Okay, lots of pages of information on how to make that. Whew. And this is the Dancing Butterfly sock there. And that is, it looks like knitting as well, not crocheting. Yeah. So we're all doing socks this month. That's actually a fun color to have for socks. And then, yeah, that's it. So it's just all sock patterns for this month. That's interesting. And then next month, the theme peak is calico. So it looks very kind of muted colors, pretty, I don't know, like pastels. There's the word, like pastel-y kind of colors, hey? So there you go. So again, I've got this beautiful yarn here, gorgeous colors. Just love that, so pretty. And then the I thought I'd see the pattern with ladybug buttons, but I didn't notice any. Maybe it just didn't show it in the actual thing. Zoom in. Ladybug, it's kind of not really clear, is it? Sorry, there we go. Ladybug buttons, really cute. And then I'm pretty sure this is a stitch marker. I don't know what else it would be for, but I've never used stitch markers before to know. It's not really letting it be clear. Sorry about that, you guys. I can't really make it more clear for some reason. But it's really neat. Take my word for it, it's really neat. So there you have it. So thank you for joining me for opening May's Knitcrate box. And if anybody is interested in looking into it, it's just called Knitcrate. And usually they have like 2 different patterns of a type of like scarf or shawl, one for knitting, one for crocheting, and then a sock pattern, but this month is all about the socks. So I've never made a pair of socks before, so this will be a very big learning curve. But I'm excited to try it. And these will make very soft, cozy socks. Very excited. So thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all later. Bye!